The benefits of not being a savage and drinking coffee out of a paper cup.
Nice view of the river. And a palm tree.
Crawl this thing back down.
Sawadee, y'all. Welcome back to the trip. Today we'll be going from Mae Hong Son to Mae Seren. Around 160 kilometers. Actually got an early start today. Early, meaning before 10 a.m. or right at 10 a.m. It's actually a little cool this morning. I actually got my windbreaker on underneath my riding jacket. A little nip in the air, you could say. I don't know what the road will be like today. Got a couple of viewpoints, places of interest to stop. Yesterday was a fantastic road. We'll see what today brings. Only about a kilometer away from the first little scenic overlook. Going up in the mountains, got some nice twisties.
Made it to the viewpoint. It's a great viewpoint. Get in front of everybody's pictures. There's only one thing that makes a viewpoint great, other than the view, of course. That's some stairs. I love some stairs. And that's coffee. Well, since I got my coffee here for not takeaway here at the table, they gave me a free. Came by and bought a little complimentary herbal tea to me with some peanuts. The benefits of not being a savage and drinking coffee out of a paper cup. That's nice. Let's try the tea here. Oh, that's very nice. That's very nice. I don't even know how to describe that taste. Yeah, I don't think I've ever had tea quite like that.
Okay. That was a wonderful little checkpoint. Nice road I'm on here too. Nice and twisty. Been going up here downhill. Another 15 kilometers to the next checkpoint. We got a bridge that only takes one vehicle at a time here. Looks like a temporary bridge. Some beautiful roads on our way to the next stop. Still got 12 kilometers to go. And we're here. All right, we have stopped for lunch. Dad's garden. Wonderful meal. Had a little pataco pow. Just that right amount of spiciness in it. Back on the road. It's about 40 kilometers to next destination, next viewpoint. Hotel should be right up here on the left. Where am I staying at? The Good View restaurant. Okay. There we go. That's me right there. Here is the hotel room, the Good View Hotel in Masonry. Nice little double bed here. Or two twin beds, whatever you want to call them. A little sitting area. Your basic Thai bathroom. But the real jewel of the place. Nice view of the river. And a palm tree. Sawadee, y'all, and welcome back. It is the next day. Currently, I'm following a truck that's spraying down the road. Oh, there he goes. He turned. Really? Really? And you can see the cars don't want to be patient. Thank you. Thank you. Yes, they do turn it off for the bikes. Ooh, gorgeous day. Gorgeous. A little chilly this morning. Just that right amount of chill. Makes you feel good. Not quite off-roading, but supposedly this is a viewpoint up here or something. I don't know. I think it's a terrible idea is what it was. Well, you buy a little adventure mini scooter is what you're supposed to be doing with it. Then I choose a good route there. Power through it. Let's power through it. When in doubt, hit the gas. Okay, maybe we're getting up here to something we can see. Well, there are signs. I mean, it obviously is telling me something's important this way. It probably says, whatever you do, don't head this way. Okay, well, shit. Okay. We're going to be in first gear to get up this thing. What's up here? Okay, we're truly like off-roading now. I don't know if this one. What are we doing? Okay, well, this mic is handling itself quite well. Get it there, get it, go, go, go. Go, don't let off the gas, don't let off the gas. Don't get good. Okay, well. What am I going to anyway? Let's go up here and see what we find. I think I'm getting close to the end here. I see a bunch of signs. By the way, all those guys just passed. There's 3 locals up here, and they rode up that same dirt road I did on a Honda Wave with bald street tires, and 3 of them on it. I'm guessing this is the trail. So this is how you die, people. Oh, okay. Well, you know what? I think it was worth it. We got a rock formation here. What a view. Oh, wow. What a view. Looks like you can go out on those rocks right there. It's what I'm not doing. It's not what I'm doing. I'm not getting out on those rocks.
Got a nice view here. Walking up the last little bit of trail here to the next viewpoint. This past some more Westerners past me. All right. Let me see if I can get my old fat ass along this trail. Wow. It's quite a walk up here. Well worth it though. I'll put the location on in the links in the video. Nice, very nice. Whew. All right, made it back to the bike. Well, the only question is the trail worth it? Is it worth, because it is uphill the entire way to the viewpoint. Yes, it is. I would call it a moderate trail. If it was raining wet, I would say do not do it. I don't even know if you get your bike up here. And I think that's what the green sign says, is something about, rough translation was like dangerous, basically slippery when wet. So yeah, here's the bike. The three guys came up here, three of them on it. A Honda Wave 125, and the other couple was up there. They came up here on that. So pretty much any type of bike could get you up this little last part of a dirt road. Okay, back on the bike and on the road. All right, it's back down now. Where the real fun begins. Looks like the trail does continue, so. I think I'm just gonna crawl this thing back down.